In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the sum function in Google Sheets to quickly add up your numbers. This is one of the most common tasks you'll do in a spreadsheet, and once you know this simple method, it can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's start with the basics. Go ahead and open your Google Sheet and make sure you can see the numbers you want to add together. These might be in a column, like a list of expenses, or in a row, like a series of test scores. The key is that all the values you want to add are in cells that are next to each other, either vertically or horizontally. Now, first, highlight the numbers you want to include in your total. To do this, click on the first cell in the range, hold down your mouse button, and drag across or down until all the relevant cells are selected. You should see a colored box around that group of cells. Take a moment to double check that you've included everything you want to add and that you haven't accidentally selected any extra blank cells or text. Once your numbers are highlighted, look toward the top of the Google Sheets interface near the formula bar. On the right-hand side, you'll see a small icon that represents functions. It often looks like the Greek letter sigma, which resembles a sideways M. This is the functions icon. Click on this icon to open a drop-down list of common functions you can use. From this list, find and click on Sum. As soon as you do that, Google Sheets will automatically insert the sum function for the range of cells you highlighted. You'll see something appear in a cell, usually right below or to the right of your selection, depending on where your active cell was. It will look something like EOS ESUM TIS with the cell range inside the parentheses. Press Enter on your keyboard to confirm. The cell will now show the total of all the numbers you selected. If you ever change one of the values in that highlighted range later on, the sum will automatically update, so you always have the correct total. That's all there is to it. Highlight the numbers, click the functions icon on the right side, then click on Sum, and confirm.